one of Switzerland's most breathtaking nature treasures. Hidden among the majestic Swiss Alps, this peaceful valley is often called the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. Here, towering cliffs, crystal clear stream, and endless green meadows come together to create a landscape that feels like a living painting. Surrounded by charming wooden villages and breathtaking alpine peaks, Lauterbrunnen offers a rare sense of peace that's becoming harder to find in today's busy world. Every waterfall, every mountain, and every quiet path remind us of the incredible beauty that nature has carefully shaped over thousands of years. Whether you visit for adventure, photography, or simply to enjoy the silence, Lauterbrunnen Valley leaves an unforgettable impression on every traveler.